today's my first day in Miami. I literally just got here at like 11 a.m. and then it took forever to get into my hotel room. So I finally just got into my hotel room like 3 hours later. I'm obsessed with my hotel room. I can't wait to show you guys. When I get back, I'll show you. But I mean, it's just like filled with greenery and plants and stuff, and I'm just like obsessed. It's just like very boho chic. I really want to get in the pool too. Mozzarella. So we are in Miami. I came on this trip to kind of reflect over 2020 and just, you know, take a breath and just breathe. 2020, honestly, I went through like so many ups and downs, from dealing with like depression and anxiety, from my friend passing away, from losing people in my life that I thought would be there forever. And there was good things that happened too. I mean, like I walked New York Fashion Week, a lot of social media things happened that I'm very thankful for. But I just wanted to sit down and reflect on this year because I'm still trying to process like 2020. So yeah, I got in and I just kind of spent the day just like chilling, relaxing. I'm in this awesome hotel. It's called Kayak Hotels. I want to say Kayak Hotel Miami Beach. I can kind of show you guys around a little bit. So, sorry, the lighting may be bad in some areas. So you come in, this is the door, and then this is the view that you see when you come in the door. And then come this way, it's like a little hallway type area. You have like a little getting ready station, a little mirror. You have the bathroom. The counter is kind of messy for me right now. And then the shower, and then come back out this way. I will show you guys the outside part, which is like my favorite part. So this is probably like my favorite part of the whole hotel. So you come out here and you have this little like seating area. Look at how cute that is. Cute little seating area. And then you come out this way and you have the lounge chairs, and then all the way back there is a pool. And then if you turn this way, you have like a whole like seating area and stuff. And then come back this way, I'll like walk backwards. You come back into your room. And yeah, this hotel is really amazing. I've been like wanting to stay here for like years, but it's very like boho chic. I highly recommend staying here. Again, it's called Kayak Hotels Miami Beach. I am only staying here for one night, so I am about to pack my stuff up and then get ready to head on over to my next location, and I will check in with you guys when I get there. I'm updating you because I'm now at the new hotel, and I'm updating you a day later because yesterday a whole bunch of shenanigans happened. They ended up moving hotels. Now I'm at a different hotel, but I have just been making videos and content and stuff like that. I got this new Insta360. Obsessed. If you don't have one, you need one. It's literally like game changer. Here's some videos that I shot on this.